Today we're going to play another one of the games in the Sharper Image Augmented Reality Laser Game. Once again, this is a virtual reality game. Be sure your Bluetooth is turned on your phone or it won't find the gun. Okay? Push the AR icon there and it'll load. See it loading? Searching for the gun. There it is. It found it, say. Down at the bottom where it's got solid gun there. And up there at the top, press that AR gun button. Right there. See the background change? We're going to load Biochemical Wars 3. I'm going to be shooting zombies and stuff here. We got to create a new game because we don't have one to join, so. Alright, now you move around, see, and it changes the virtual reality in the game. Shoot that, alright. Gotta be somebody to shoot. Oh, there's a leg. I bet we need to shoot him. Oh, yeah. Let him have it. More of them coming. Look at that. Behind him. Get him. Oh, get him. He's coming up on us. Keep firing. I know your finger gets tired, but keep that guy in the seat. Yeah, there we go. Got him. Oh, he's still coming. Gotta shoot him some more. Got him. Okay. Work on these guys here in the front. Oh, there's another guy in a suit. Move over. We'll shoot him too. There's a zombie laying on the ground. We better shoot him. He got up. Oh, he's back down. There's a bunch of them coming at us. We better do some fancy shooting here. Takes a bunch of shots to get them. There we go. Ta-da-da. Get that one. Got him. All right. Man, there's zombies everywhere, isn't it? Yeah, got him. I got another one there. There's another one. He's down. There's one. He's a ways off, but we'll get him. Got him. He's down. Move around, see if we can find some more to shoot here. There's a leg. Start shooting him, I guess. Got him, okay. There's another leg. So you just keep moving around. Oh, my finger's getting tired here. Got him. Wish it had an auto fire, but it doesn't. More of them, look at there. Yeah. There's another one. Oh, he looks mean. We better get him. There's one sneaking in. We'll get him. I think we got him. There he's down. It's a big one right here. We better get him too. Got him. Oh, there's another one coming in. Two of them coming at me. Get this guy in the front. Got him. Got that one too. Any more? There's another one. Two of them. There's one crawling up on us too. Oh, he stood up. Get him. Yeah, there we go. There's one sneaking in. Got him. See that left, that arrow up there in the top left, that red arrow? That's how you get out of the game. We'll do that in a minute after we kill these guys. It's not a bad little game. It's only like $10 at Walmart and the app is free. Okay, that's time to get out of the game. That red arrow up there in the top left corner. Right there. You want to quit? Yeah. Takes you back out to the main part of the game. Alright, hope you get this. It's fun. We'll see you on the next game.